Hi, this is Gachangi Rajababu, FIDE instructor as well as Arena International Master. Today I am bringing a very interesting and very useful topic to everyone. Okay, so let's see what is that an important and instructive and useful topic in today's video. Yes. So today I'm bringing like how to win with a single pawn. Now when you left in your game with a single pawn, then how to win. Now remember that every single pawn is having a critical key squares. Like this pawn which is on the second rank is having these three critical squares. Okay, or even these three, like every pawn is having especially very important critical square which is marked by the green color. If your king is on any one of these critical squares, then you can make this pawn queen, otherwise you will be not able to make queen. A very important aspect in the pawn end game, you have to remember that the king should always ahead of your pawn. pawn के आगे तुम्हारा king होना चाहिए. Like the mother is always accompanying child, so your king is like a mother who is accompanying this pawn. So let's go to the square. Now this king is going here. Now remember, don't push your pawn here. If you push this pawn, the result will be a draw for you. So always remember, your king should be ahead of your pawn. So just in front of this king. The idea of this is what? We should progress from one rank to another rank. Right now our king was in fourth rank. From fourth rank, so we have to go to fifth rank. From the fifth rank we have to go to sixth rank. Sixth rank we have to go to seventh rank, and then we have to go to the eighth rank. So like that our king should travel, and he should always take the pawn one step behind the king. So this technique we have to use. So here the king can go to the controlling one of the important square. Now from the fifth rank I want to enter into the sixth rank, but remember the pawn is in the c file, so your king should always either be in d file or b file to accompany this pawn in c file. So your king can be in any one of the files, but it should be ahead of your pawn. So here I'm moving my king here. Okay, and then I'm pushing my king in the sixth rank. From fifth ranks to I went to sixth rank. Now my king has already, you know, uh, went on to a sixth rank. Now it is a time to push my. Okay, now my king is already in the sixth rank. There is no need to worry. Still, I can bring my pawn. Now it is the time to enter from the sixth rank to seventh rank. So therefore, you should just come in front of this king, and this in chess is called opposition. King के सामने king पे आओ dodging की तरह. Suppose if this king moves towards the right, so you can move to the left, and remember, if this king moves to left, then you can move your king to right. And now your king is guarding these three squares, and you can simply your pawns and make this pawns queen. And after making queen, you know how to win by using the cage mate. Now look at the second position where your pawn is in the third rank. Pawn abhi third rank mein hai. Okay, so from third rank to take to the eighth rank and make it queen, it is a really a tough position. Now this pawn is having these three squares. That means what? Your king should be any one of the square to secure your winning, because as I told you, mother should always in front of the child to carry to the winning position. So here I want to go to any one of the squares. So first I am moving my king here. So either I can take this or take this. It is my wish which square I want to take it. Okay, so here right now I am taking uh, this square. Okay, so I have already taken. Now remember, I can still enter into next rank. So our king should be always from fourth to fifth, fifth to sixth. We should secure a very important square for our pawn. Okay, so my king is here. That means what? I secured for my pawn all these things. Like, how your mother and father are securing for you, like, they secure their house for you. Similarly, the king should secure this pawn certain squares. Now the pawn can come here. Okay, now the king is here. Still my pawn can go there. Now, before this pawn reaching to the 6th rank, try to secure 7th rank for your king. So let's move your king here. The king is went there. So now your king, you can move here and secure these 3 squares for your pawn. And now you can simply reach and make this pawn into queen. So it is so simple, guys. Now look at, in this position your pawn is already in the 4th rank. So then these are the 3 important key squares. Let bring your king here, sorry, your white. So you bring your king here, and now see your king is already made these 3 important square for your pawn. So let the pawn come here. Now it is a time to take your, once your pawn reach to the 5th rank, your king should try to get one of these 3 square for your king. For security of your pawn, ये pawn की security के लिए तुमको चाहिए. So just you are moving your king here. The king went there, so your king is coming here. So now your king's position is like a secured position for your pawn. So just you are pushing this pawn. आप pawn को धीरे धीरे push करोगे. देखा, वापस आपने queen बना लिया. Queen बनाने के बाद you watch my video. Okay, the cage mate वाला video with lone queen और lone rook. तो आप आराम से जीत जाओगे. Now look at, your pawn is already in 5th rank and your king is along with the pawn. So as I told you, suppose हमें जीतना है ये position. Suppose हमें जीतना है तो your king should be 6th rank and then the 7th rank. So we are moving our king in this rank. Now I want to secure any one of the square. मुझे even a square भी secure करना है. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए क्या करना है? Let's move this king here. Now see, if he moves here, you know that you have to go there. If the king moves here, then you have to go here. So we are moving king here, and for our pawn the squares are secured, and we are simply making our pawn into queen, and then it is easy to win. Now see, our pawn is already in the 6th rank. Just push this pawn, king comes down, and you go there, and you are making queen and the winning. Okay, so जितना भी तुम्हारा pawn आगे जाएगा उतना safe रहेगा. But this is, you must have thinking, the king is already here and all these 3 squares are like secured. So you can think that you can simply make this pawn into queen. And without thinking, if you push this pawn, then this game will become draw. This is called stalemate. Look at this king. The king is not having any square to move. So this position is called stalemate and this is a draw. So therefore remember, when your pawns are in edge, especially when your pawn is in B file, when your pawn is in G file, when your pawn is in A file and when your pawn is H file, you have to be extra cautious. तुम्हें बहुत सावधानी के साथ रहना है. And here we are coming here and securing, square from this square or this square or this square by coming here. Okay, so now you can go there, and now simply you can push your pawn into queen. So this is how you can make a queen. Now here also, this pawn is here, so we want this square for our king. So therefore we are moving our king here. If, imagine if this king would have been come there, we will pawn push. The king again will come here, again we will pawn push, king will come down, and our king will go up. This is how you have to imagine. Now go here. Don't make a mistake of pawn push. If you do pawn push, this king will go there and he will go there and this will become draw. So therefore you have to move your king here and then pawn push करो, फिर pawn push करो and pawn push करके आप queen बना दो और आप ये गेम easily जीत जाओगे. Queen बनने के बाद बहुत easy है. Now this pawn is already in 7th rank. एक move में queen होने वाला है. Just come and support with the king and then next move can simply make queen. So this is how we learned how to make queen if your pawn in 2nd rank, 3rd rank, 4th rank, 5th rank, 6th rank and 7th rank. Now look at, when you have a cornered pawn, like either in H file ka pawn or A file ka pawn, then these squares are very very important for your king. Your king should be reaching first here to secure your pawn into queen. Even this square is not needed, but this square is very very important. Once you comes here, then you are 90% secured your win. Okay, so the 10% I'm giving for your foolishness of making your opponent king in stalemate. Okay, so now look at this another rook pawn, another rook pawn. Okay, sorry. Okay, now this is another rook pawn. Okay, now in this rook pawn, it is like black to white to play, and he wants to draw this position, so therefore he will not allow this king to come here, otherwise this pawn will become a simply queen. So therefore white is coming here and not allowing this here. So black just push the pawn. You know what black is making mistake here? Black is making a mistake, like he is pushing his pawn ahead of the king. बच्चे को आगे डाल रहा है अपना, वो खुद पीछे है. So this position will become draw. So let's king is coming here, and now he will capture this and it will become draw. Okay, now look at this. For every pawn, as I told you, the important key squares, like जहां पर भी pawn होता है उसके एक रैंक छोड़कर दूसरे रैंक पे ये जो तीन स्क्वायर्स है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्क्वायर होते हैं, और वो स्क्वायर पे आपका किंग होना चाहिए जीतने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा पॉन यहाँ पर है, माय पॉन इज हियर, सो फॉर माय किंग एनी दीज थ्री स्क्वायर्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So this example is a super duper example. Like for example, let's see if I want to, my king want to reach here. So suppose if I travel like this, one square, two square, three square, four square. But my opponent king will one square, two square, and in the third chance he will take this and he will not give me this square. So I may not win this game. As I told you that these three squares are very important for me to win. So therefore white decides to go with this way, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and my opponent will also take 1, okay, maybe 2, 3, and to come here he also needs 4 squares. So that means what? If I go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, my opponent is reaching here 1, 2, in third move he is reaching here. So my opponent is faster for this square, for this d5 square, but from my opponent is lower to this b5 square. So therefore I will decide to travel like this. So it is very important to take your king in front of pawn. किंग को हमेशा पॉन के आगे रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. किंग और पॉन एनिमी ये आपके दिमाग में एकदम फिट करके रखना है तुम लोगों. Okay, so this I am going, so this, see, now I am about to reach here, but see he controlled, so I am coming here, so I am challenging him, give me any one of the square. So I just took here. Now see the basic thing which I told you, हमेशा तुम्हारे पॉन के आगे तुम्हारा किंग होना चाहिए. और देखो किंग कहाँ पर था, फर्स्ट रैंक था, फर्स्ट से सेकंड पे गया, सेकंड पे थर्ड पे गया, थर्ड पे फोर्थ पे गया, फिर फोर्थ पे गया, फिर फिफ्थ पे गया, और अभी वापस मुझे सिक्स में जाना है. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, किंग के सामने किंग को लाऊंगा, जिसे हम अपोजिशन कहते हैं, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सिक्स्थ रैंक. तो मैंने मेरे चाइल्ड के लिए अच्छा घर बनाया है. माई चाइल्ड कैन रीच, माई पॉन कैन रीच द सेवेंथ रैंक without any danger. So let's time to push my pawn. It's time to push my pawn, and here I have to be cautious because I want a home of the 8th rank. So I'm just coming here and pushing this king to either to go left or right, and then I'm securing a house for my pawn. See, now my pawn is a simply becoming queen, and I am winning the game. So I hope you are really loved this end game. So it's very important how to win with single pawn. Many good players, okay, even beginners, intermediate, even very very strong players sometimes fail to make their pawn into queen. Okay, so most of the time you will be left with a single pawn, but you must know how to win. So I hope you liked. If you like, please share with your friends and others, and please subscribe this channel. So thank you very much for being with me and watching this video. Thank you.